Hi everybody, welcome to week 8 in Asset Management Regulatory Overview. This is Professor Denaway. Hope you're all having a great weekend and welcome to the last week of this term. Another 8 weeks that just flew by, it seems. So your second assignment, or your assignment number 2, has been graded and the grades were posted for those of you that turned it in on time. If you were late or have an extension, I will get to those hopefully this week. But the ones that were in timely have been posted. And so here we are heading into the final week. So last week for week 7, you learned about reporting and disclosure. So again, be sure you review the learning outcomes. The readings last week, you read about ERISA reporting and disclosure. You read about investment advisors, the employment benefit plan clients and IRAs. And you also read about investment advisors and the registration form ADV and the IARD. And then hopefully you had time to watch the 4 videos and then look at the PowerPoint presentations that went along with each video. And then there was also a bonus material PowerPoint regarding internal controls for retirement plans. So this week, as we head into the final week, you'll be learning about FINRA rules and regulations. So let's look at the learning outcomes. So this week you will learn the regulatory definition of broker-dealer, you will learn the registration requirements of broker-dealers, and finally you will learn the conduct and compliance requirements for broker-dealers. As usual, we have the reading posted also for this final week, if my computer will cooperate. Okay, so the reading for this week, you'll be reading about duties and conflicts. You'll be reading about the FINRA Know Your Customer. You'll be reading about securities offerings, underwriting and compensation. You'll be reading about FINRA supervision and responsibilities relating to associated persons, and then finally FINRA transactions with customers. So again, as you all know by now, if you click on each of these links, it'll take you to the reading, or you can do the week 8 readings and it'll take you to everything, or the links for everything. This week there are also again 4 videos posted for you to take a look at, as well as the PowerPoint presentations. And then finally, there is another bonus material item down at the bottom here, broker-dealer compliance. So those are the materials for week 8. So just recapping this week, you want to be sure you post in the discussion forum as usual. Do the reading, watch the videos. Office hours are with me this week, Tuesday. Hopefully finally getting on track as the semester ends, but Tuesday 6 p.m. Pacific. And then a reminder that your final assignment is due a week from today. I'm posting this on Sunday the 24th, so it is due a week from today, which is March 3rd. By the usual time, 11:59 p.m. Pacific. And there are no extensions available for the final assignment, so be sure to have it in on time. Also, if you do owe me any assignments, you need to get those in, because I need to, the last day that I can accept materials is next Sunday, because I need to get my grades in. So if you are going to have an issue with that, you will need to work, you can contact me, but you will need to ultimately work with the administration to get, if you have any issues. So basically you want to get all your assignments in, including this final assignment, by next Sunday, March 3rd. So if you, again, were late on assignment number 2, if you had an extension, it's due today, but if you're missing that or you did not have an extension, again, you'll be getting late penalties, but please be sure to get everything in by next Sunday so that I can get my grades in. If you have any questions about that, feel free to email me. And I think that's everything. It seems as the semester winds down, there's less things to mention since we only have 1 week left. So if you have any questions about your final assignment, feel free to email me. Again, it is posted right here, benchmark assignment number 3. Please note it is worth a few more points. It's worth 300 points as opposed to the 250 that the other assignments were worth. Also, again, a reminder, make sure you follow the directions. We have very clear, explicit directions that we want you to follow. So please follow them, because if you do not, you will lose points. So be sure that you read over carefully what we are asking you to do. All right, so I hope you all have a great final week. It has been a pleasure having you all in class. Hopefully I'll see you all again in a future class. If not, again, it's been a pleasure. I've appreciated all the hard work on both the discussion forum posts and your assignments. You've all done great. So thank you, and we will be in touch.